This video lesson will help you learn and practice the correct use of the preposition to. Direction. I am going to the park. She walked to the shop. Recipient. I gave the pen to Alina. He told the news to me. Comparison. I prefer books to movies. He likes summer to winter. Before base verb. I like to dance. He likes to read books. Shows relation. This bag belongs to Grace. The car belongs to my friend. Shows response. I replied to her message. She answered to the question. Shows position. The bank is next to the shop. I sat next to my cousin. Shows purpose. I came here to study. He went outside to play. Shows giving or sending something. Please give this book to her. Send the message to him. Shows travel route. We walked to the bus stop. They drove to the airport. Shows change. Water turns to ice. His dream turned to reality. Shows attachment. The charger is connected to the phone. The door is attached to the wall. Shows feelings. She is always polite to strangers. He is rude to his friends. Shows range. The class runs from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. We will travel from Monday to Friday. Shows command. He told me to sit down. She asked me to wait. Shows agreement. He agreed to help me. They agreed to join us. Shows connection. I spoke to my friend. He is talking to the teacher. Shows kindness. She is kind to animals. He is helpful to strangers. Shows preference. I chose to stay at home. He decided to walk. Phrases. Nice to meet you. Happy to help you. Shows invitation. I invited them to dinner. She invited me to her wedding. Infinitive. I want to learn Spanish. He plans to start a new job. Limit in amount. You can invite up to 100 guests. This bag holds up to 20 kg. Final step. Fry the bread to golden brown. Heat the soup to boiling. Shows effect. Junk food is harmful to health. Loud noise is bad to your ears. Practice time. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. I sent an email to my teacher. I sent an email to my teacher. The library is open to midnight. The library is open to midnight. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. The bank is next to the hospital. The bank is next to the hospital. He went outside to play football. He went outside to play football. I want to learn French. I want to learn French. That dress belongs to Alina. That dress belongs to Alina. He came to fix the computer. He came to fix the computer. We ran to the playground. We ran to the playground. The leaves turn to yellow in autumn. The leaves turn to yellow in autumn. The mirror is fixed to the wall. The mirror is fixed to the wall. Glad to see you again. Glad to see you again. I'm flying to London tonight. I'm flying to London tonight. I decided to go by train. I decided to go by train. So today we learned that preposition to is used for direction, recipient, comparison, and more. Now you try and write 3 sentences using preposition to and share them in the comments. See you in the next video with rule 5. Thank you for watching.